Whee! So you just watched the unboxing, you're welcome. I haven't done this eSIM thing before, so I'm like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I thought it was explicit to America, but it's here. I'm just gonna set up my Face ID, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, it's just one scan. Okay, well, I'm gonna be transferring everything from my old phone onto my new phone, and I'm gonna be trading in my old phone. So I need to transfer everything, make sure all of my bank stuff, my authentication apps, all my pictures and stuff is transferred over smoothly. So I have everything before I give the phone away. Oh, it's making me software update. I was hoping I didn't have the software update, but it's fine. I'm here. Well, while it's doing its thing, the comparisons, the camera is bigger. My clear case looks dusty as hell, I know. This is what the camera sizes are looking like. These cameras are huge. And I got a MagSafe case, finally. So remember in my other video, it was one of my Anchor videos where I was talking about how I didn't have a MagSafe case. Little did you know that one was coming. I remember in one of my other videos I was talking about this new phone en route. You thought I was joking. No, I wasn't. Anyways, I'm just gonna let this set up. I'm gonna let it do it. First of all, I woke up and I realized it was iPhone day today. Shay iPhone day today. And do you know what I mean? Like, I went on my phone, saw what time my delivery driver was coming to the house, realized it was between 1:10 and 2:10. He was late, but that's fine, because it's here. I'm so excited, you don't even understand. You don't even get it. You're trying to get it, but you don't really get it. You're not grasping how excited I am. The content to come. Wait on it. After how many minutes, we're back. And we can now swipe. Let's swipe together. Let's swipe together. Hey. In my face, sorry guys. Restore completed. Apps and data will now be downloaded in the background. It needs my Apple ID. You don't need to see this. It's asked me to enter my iPhone passcode. Things are just transferring over, so I just need to pull up my, I'll be back. We are finally done. I'm gonna make myself like a new wallpaper or whatever because I've got a new phone. So like, let's just see, like, I just want to see what the always on display looks like. Jeez! Anyways, this was just an unboxing. I'm gonna enjoy my phone and I'm gonna transfer everything over. If you wanna see what's on my iPhone, okay, cool, whatever. I mean, I'm cool, whatever, fine. When the iOS 17 beta drops, you know I got you, because we have all the latest and the greatest now, isn't it? Don't we? Hallelujah. Anyways, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I appreciate you.